So here's the deal.
So today we're just having a chill day. We are going to get some hibachi as a family. This is the third week that we've had with no chemo. Before we start again, we took a little bit of a break. And so we're just gonna go ahead and just enjoy some time with each other and just go get us some hibachi. We like to do that when his counts are good because we don't really leave the house that often, besides taking the kids to school and like doing work meetings. But we don't leave the house that often, so when we can get out, we try to at least go and do at least one thing. The girls are in the back and then the boys are in the middle. Yeah, we're just gonna go to a little hibachi place. Donnell and I just went through a spiritual journey and we fasted for 11 days and it was amazing. It was so amazing. Now, we was hungry, don't get me wrong, but it was amazing. And we can't wait to share some of the things that we experienced with y'all. But for now, we're about to go get some hibachi.
Yeah, mainly because we had this, I think it was the third day of the fast or the fourth day or something. We had to sit through, when the family came in town, we sat through watching them eat hibachi. So,
that was
we're
tough.
gonna do it. We're gonna do it light. We're just gonna eat vegetables, rice, all that kind of stuff. But today is interesting because today marks day one that I'm actually going to eat meat.
A piece of meat, yeah.
And as for those of you who don't know, I've been vegetarian for 4 years, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
And based off of discussions with Tia and what she's learned in school, she's in school to be a holistic practitioner or learning about herbalism. My blood type requires a lot of protein, to which I can't really get enough of in vegetables the way that I should, without stuffing my face with peas and just random,
Right.
Everybody got their own journey of trying to go through, going through certain seasons where they got to eat certain things or can eat certain things. So in this case, we're gonna try to see how my body does with eating some meat again. So.
Yep, that's what we're gonna do.
Is it out here? No, is it next?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yep, it's right there. So you can turn right here on the left. What you're talking about.
Just got in here. I love it when it's like nobody's here. He needs to sit over here close to us because we gotta feed him and stuff, so he gotta be next to us. So come on, Izzy, over here.
What is this? I don't know. I see it inside, but I don't really know what it is. If you put it on the light to see what
You look this plate up. I forgot to write down. What's up? What do you want?
She wanna make sure it's clean. Just relax. It's right here. See? Look at it. It's right here.
Oh, what's the lunch one?
On the back, second to last.
Oh, sorry. Is that what you ordered from? You
What?
ordered from the lunch?
I already ordered the steak.
So bored.
Yeah. I'm hungry too.
Oh, you want another one?
Daddy, I'm hungry too, Daddy.
Hungry man. He's in there getting upset because we get him enough.
Mmm.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy,
What?
I'm hungry too, Daddy.
Okay.
He's gonna come cook it.
Yeah, you gotta make the food.
They probably only have one chef because it's lunchtime.
$70, $20.
All gone.
If I get it right. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Mommy?
Got him. Where is it? Ooh. Yeah.
Okay, ready? Open your mouth. Yeah, one. Head up. Okay, one more time. One more time. Yeah, one, two, three.
You gotta look up and be like this. There you go.
Do it again, do it again. Ready? Open your mouth. One, two, three. Yeah!
Got it. Here we go. I'm going to try some steak.
Mommy.
You ready, Tia?
Yeah, I'm
Do a small piece.
I'm trying to find that little bacon he made.
Here
Yeah, I
we
think
go.
it's bacon.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, meat.
Go. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Don't touch
Tastes
on
good?
your
Juicy?
Yes, it's great. Thank you.
Mommy. Do you have a spoon for me?
Hmm.
Maybe look.
I have to eat it with some vegetables. That's crazy to say, because some people be like, I have to have meat with my vegetables. No, I need to have vegetables with my meat. I can't just eat meat by itself.
I'm no longer vegetarian. Yep.
5.
Was it 51-31?
Daddy. 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 Can I hold the camera?
Oh, okay.
Daddy. Daddy. Big daddy. 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 What does so lifting mean?
Alright, let's go. Well,
You don't want to hold it together?
that was fun.
I love that lunch.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was a real good lunch.
Yeah. Kind of made me a little tired, but
Yeah, Hibachi does make you tired.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun just like
I probably am gonna sleep in the car.
Part about
You gotta stop at the grocery store.